Here he returns from his first rip. And the fucker left us at home. That was the first rip.
Clutch needs some definite setting up. Might need more clutch just because it slips already.
Does it?
Yeah, and I didn't even really get on it.
Really, eh?
But it's hard to tell. This thing revs so fast, I'm not sure if it's getting on it or spinning. I didn't even really stand on it. Fucking retarded.
Is it?
Yeah. Quiet's right down.
Yeah. I don't know if a racing clutch is supposed to sound like that or not, but that don't sound too great to me.
No. See, it's fine when I engage it a little bit.
Yeah.
It quits, so we might have to put more clutch into this thing.